Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. A little bit of a spring update. It has been probably everywhere you guys are at too. It's been raining like crazy here, and I personally haven't even hardly gotten much riding in yet. Some of you guys that have been keeping an eye on the Shark bike, you know that I had put it on eBay, and well, it didn't sell. I was a little surprised that it didn't sell, but I think that might have to do with that I put it over Memorial Day weekend here in the U.S. and I don't know, maybe not enough guys saw it or talked to their wives about owning a Shark. Anyway, so it didn't sell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to relist the bike, but I'm going to list it over on Facebook Marketplace. I will have a link right down below. So if you look down there, the first line on there will be the Facebook Marketplace link. You can go and look at it. Even if you don't have a Facebook account, you can still go look at it. Pretty sure. If I'm wrong, put it down in the comments down below, and maybe I'll list it somewhere else as well. But I think you'll be able to see it there, and most people have a Facebook account or know somebody that does. And you can contact me through that link if you want to talk about the Shark bike or you want to purchase it. Anyway, so what else has been going on in the shop? Well, I've had a bunch of bikes in and out of here that I didn't put it on video, but some of them just came in here for routine maintenance. The yearly services, the oils, the lubes, the brake fluid, the clutch fluid, all that stuff. This bike here that's behind me is an 01 with over 200,000 miles on it. It's really unique that you get some of these bikes have tremendous miles. So you guys out there that are worried that your bike that's got 40,000 miles on it is going to be no good anymore, or up to 100,000, man, they can just keep going and going. If you maintain these bikes properly, they will keep on rolling. Yeah, you got to fix a few things. You may have to change out a clutch. That's what this one's in here for. It has the rear main seal leaking. It actually leaked onto the lift a little bit when I put it up there. So it's got a pretty significant leak, but it was still rolling. It was still, the guy was able to drive it here from, I don't know, like 2 hours away. Anyway, so that's what that one's in here for. I'm not going to do another video on the clutch. You guys have already seen enough of those. Even though it's a big service, you guys have seen the edited version, as well as I did that 3-day live stream. It was like, I don't know, 16 hours worth of video from the first screw to the last screw going in. And that was a big job, and that's what I got to do on this job, but no need to repeat it. Some of the other videos that I'm currently working on, one I had in the winter time, I had a S1000XR in here that I did some performance work to. I put an exhaust on it and a computer. I recorded some audio. I listened to the audio and it kind of blew out the speakers, or it overrode. It was it was too loud. It was just too loud for it. So I'm gonna have to mess with that a little bit to get it evened out enough so you can actually hear it and not just hear just being squelched out or blow out your earphones if you're listening on earphones. Had an S1000RR in here that I did a little bit of work to, that I've got to still edit those videos, and I'm sure I'm forgetting some that it's a lot easier to film the videos than it is to edit them. That just takes a long time. But that's some of the things going on. Not too many changes in the shop. You guys saw all the big changes last year. I haven't really done any other significant changes this year. There's no plans to, blow out a wall or put in another toolbox. I did all that stuff last year. Thank you so much for those of you who helped me with that, and helped me financially through that stuff, through helping me through Patreon or buying my poster, all that stuff. If you care to see how you too can help support the work that I do here, look right down in that description down below. Hit the more button and it will drop a bunch of other links. So again, that first link is going to be just for the Shark Bike ad that's up, and you can also go to the videos through that ad. You could probably even see them. They're probably right over on the side over here or something, or maybe it's on the side. I don't know. Whatever side it's on. Anyway, won't go on any more about that. So just wanted to give you a little heads up as to what's going on. Today's actually it's the 29th right now of May, and yeah, buy the Shark Bike. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna say today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping me on my toes, and see you on the next one.